Hello everybody, and today we will be opening Shopkin packs. I already opened a few packs, and I will tell you and show you what they are. We got Cheeky Chocolate, Colorable, Health and Beauty, Pomelo Pancake, Cornmeal Tomato and Pineapple Crush, Promi and Yochi. And these are all things I bought today. And I have a special friend. Her name is Lizzie the Lizard. And we also bought a Fidget Cube, Cano 150. Yay! Oh, oopsie. Cano 150. I got some squishies too that we're gonna open. I got squishy too that we're gonna open, and the blind bag. Let's open the blind bag first. I thank you so much for you guys for subscribing to me. I will tell you one fact about myself. I'm not from Canada. I'm from Argentina actually, but I record these videos in Canada. I love YouTube. My favorite YouTuber is actually Dennis Daly. So subscribe to his channel and subscribe to mine if you want. I'm not telling you that you have to, just if you want. Then after we're gonna go open up some more. Let's see what Shopkin we got. We got. I think her name is Brenda Blender. We'll check. This is season doesn't say, but it's okay. Where is she? Her name is Carlo Coffee Pot. And it's a he. Let's open our other one. Oh, this one's actually pretty big. And if you guys heard the new song Despacito, it's a really good song by Louis Fonsi, Daddy Yankee, and featuring Justin Bieber. Here's another Shopkin. And her lovely name is Luigi. And now let's open our cards. First one. Let's see. We got Freezy P, heels. We got Miss Mashimo in the pantry section. Got Minty Mint and Cool Cube. And we also have a sparkly Maggie Renta. I don't know what her name is called, so I just Maggie Renta. Open up some more colors. We got Apple Blossom, which is a pop out. Just pop, yeah. There you go. Apple Blossom is so awesome. You got the Frozen shoes, melon lips, the melon pips, mini muffin, sweet treats, and ice cream dream. Oh my god, how awesome is that? Super. Let's open up our next cards. I bought a lot, $20 the max. Sorry, 30. we got Strawberry Kiss, Swiss Miss, Mary Morgan, I don't know, Dippy Avocado, Shoes Section, Freezy Peas, and Wishes. I have Wishes already, I think. Yes, I do. Let's open these now. I really love doing videos for you guys. You guys are so awesome. Hey, look, we got a Yoshi, Button Sparkles, Waffle Sue, I already have him, Fifi Flower. We have Shopkins Collector Cards Season 1 and 2. Amazing, right? Awesome. We got Sizzles with the Sizzles. We have Health and Beauty. And we got Spilt Milk. The best part, I got these all today. And I love this Fidget cube. Sorry, I'm just in my sister's room. Sorry, cousin's room. I just brought these to her house. Sorry, not my sister. I'm just in my cousin's room. She's all the way down there eating dinner. I finished and had dessert. So I'm just opening these right now. We got Fairy Crumbs. Millie! Oh, that's her. Oops. Frozen. Oh my god, Nappy D. I actually don't have them in Shopkins. Silly Chile. Carrie. Carrie Carrot Cake. Carrie Carrot Cake. We got the dairy section. And oh my god, we got Pumpkin Dilla. Woohoo! And also is a pop out. Bam. Bam. Okay, that is all the cards that we have today in this video. But I still need to open one thing. And that thing is squishies. Squishies. Let's open these squishies. La 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 la. La 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 la. Oh my god, look at this squishy. It smells so good. If you guys smell this, it would smell awesome. Look at this. Oh my god, it's just so squishy everywhere. Oh my god, these things almost look so real. You could eat them. Oh wow, look how cool this is. That is it for my video today, but thank you so much for watching. Bye!